Hello and welcome to the Simple SEO Rank Checker training video. Well, maybe let's first get started at this area, the project creation area. This allows you to create different projects, for example, for all your different websites. Here in this example, I already have two different projects created. And if you want to create a new project, you just provide a name here. And you click the Add button. So this creates a new project. At this point, of course, the project will be empty, so there are no keywords and no URLs. In order to add keywords to this project, you just enter the URL here and the corresponding keyword here, and you click the Add button. Okay. And if you select the keyword, you can also easily delete it. And of course, you can delete the entire project that's currently selected. Okay, now we are back to our initial projects. Let's have a quick look at this window here, the Google Yahoo Rankings window. Well, first you have the list of all the keywords that are part of your project. You have the Google and the Yahoo rankings, and the N stands for new, the O stands for old. So you have the very last retrieved Google ranking and the previously retrieved Google ranking, and the same for Yahoo. And also you can sort and order the different columns. You can sort and order ascending and descending. And here we have a selection of buttons. The G stands for Google in order to retrieve the Google ranking for this specific keyword. This allows you to retrieve the Yahoo ranking. This allows you to retrieve both rankings. With this button you can generate a ranking report for this specific keyword. And you can do the same with these buttons here. The only difference is, with these buttons, you can retrieve the rankings of all selected keywords. So you can select unselected keywords or just select specific keywords. And then if you want, you can retrieve the rankings for the currently selected keywords with a click of a button. Either Google rankings, Yahoo rankings, or both rankings. So let's just retrieve the rankings here. Okay, and you see it fetches the rankings. Okay, it's finished, and then it brings also back the previously retrieved rankings. Okay. Okay, now let's have a look at the scheduler. You can also set up a schedule in order to automatically retrieve your rankings. So what you need to do in order to set up a schedule, you define a certain number of keywords, or if you want all keywords, which should be retrieved on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Or you just select a few keywords, doesn't matter, whatever you want, whatever you need. And you also have to select if you want to retrieve only Google rankings, Yahoo rankings, or both rankings. And then you just save the schedule settings. Then you can go through all your projects and do the same for other projects. You just set it up, you say, okay, for this project I only need Google, and you save the schedule. So now you have, for these two projects, saved your schedules, and now you also have to activate your schedule. And you just click on the toolbar on the schedule button, and you select the frequency of the ranking retrieval, if you want to retrieve the rankings once a day, once a week, or once a month. And you can also select the time of the retrieval. So for example, you could select, okay, I would like to get all the ranking positions retrieved during my lunch break. You tick this box to activate the schedule, and you save the settings. Okay, now everything is set up for automatic ranking retrieval, and at a specified time and date, the rank checker will automatically start. All the rankings of the selected keywords will be retrieved for all the projects that have scheduled settings. And once this is finished, the tool will automatically close. Okay, maybe let's have a quick look at the ranking reports. You can generate ranking reports either for an entire project, for whatever project is selected, or you can also generate a simple ranking report for an individual keyword. And there are two types of ranking reports. You can either generate a simple text report or a more detailed PDF report with graphical charts and other kinds of information. So, okay, let's have a look at this. For example, if you click this button, you would generate a ranking report for this specific keyword. If you click this button here, you would generate a ranking report for the entire project, so basically for all the keywords. Okay, well, maybe let's just retrieve a report for one keyword. This is pretty fast. Okay, the report is generated. Okay, and you basically have the keyword on the report, the URL, you have the graphical chart, which indicates the ranking position for Google, which is the red curve, and for Yahoo, the blue curve. And for each data point, you also have the ranking position. And here you have the number of days. So in this case, you observe the ranking for this keyword over a period of about 40 days, starting from the 21st of January to the 1st of March. And here you have a detailed overview ordered by date of the ranking positions in Google and Yahoo. Okay, well, you could do the same with a simple text report. In this case, you don't have any graphical charts. Okay, this generates the entire report for all the different keywords. Okay, and this function here allows you to retrieve the Google rank for a related keyword, for a keyword that's not currently in your keyword list. So for example, you can double click any of the keywords here. Let's take this one, email, newsletter, quick tip. And then you could add something. For example, getting started. And then you would check the ranking position of this keyword. Okay. I use this function, for example, on product review pages. For example, I have in one of my projects the keyword Google Sniper, and I get a certain ranking, and if I quickly would like to know what's the ranking for the keywords Google Sniper Review or Google Sniper Bonus, just click the keyword and I add the words review or bonus here to get the ranking for the related keyword. Okay, you also have the possibility to set up your own proxies. You just copy and paste the list of proxies here. And the proxies need to be in the format of IP address, a colon, port number, and if you have a username and password, then you just add colon username, colon password. And you can also test your proxies. You just double click any of the proxies here, then this field gets updated. You can select a maximum timeout and you click the test proxy button. And if you would like to use proxies, you also have to check this box here. Okay, here you also have the possibility to do a database backup and restore. Okay, and I guess that's it pretty much. Well, as you can see, it's really pretty easy to use this tool. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.